Work smartly and grow rich. Part A. Rules to grow rich. Rule number 1. Cultivate the habit to save 10% of your income regularly. Rule number 2. Control your expenditures. 1. The purpose of a budget is to grow your income. 2. Budget your expenses in the following ways. A. That you must have money to pay for your necessities. B. That you must have money to pay for your enjoyments. C. And that you must have money to gratify or fulfill your worthwhile desires. 3A. 70% of your income shall be used to provide a home, clothes to wear, food to eat, and some extra money to spend, so that your lives will be in pleasure and enjoyment. 3B. You must be determined never to permit your living expenses to exceed 70% of your income. 4. You must keep 20% of your income to pay your debts. Rule number 3. Make your money multiply. 1. The money you may save from your earned income is the start. 2. The income your saved money shall make will build your great fortunes or great riches. 3. You must invest 10% of your saved income regularly. 4. You will get interest or profit on your saved income. 4. You must reinvest. That is, you must invest your interest or profit also regularly. Therefore, not only your capital or money will increase, in addition, your income will also increase. This process will bring a stream of wealth for you. Rule number 4. Protect your money from loss. 1. Guard, G-U-A-R-D, guard your money from loss. A. By investing only where your principal amount is safe. B. Where your principal amount may be reclaimed if desirable. C. And where you can collect a fair interest or profit on your principal amount. 2. Consult with intelligent women and men. 3. Secure the advice of those experienced in the profitable handling of money. 5. Let their intelligence protect your money from unsafe investments. Rule number 5. Increase your ability to earn. 1. You must pay your debts. 2. You must not purchase that for which you are unable to pay. 3. You must take care of your family. 4. You must have compassion upon those who are injured and affected by misfortune or hard luck. 5. Cultivate your own powers. 6. Study and become knowledgeable. 7. Become more skillful so that your acts or works will make you respect yourself. Rule number 6. When you are in debt, do not buy anymore. Rule number 7. Profits are made when you buy, not when you sell. Look for those people who want to buy first. Then look for those people who want to sell. Rule number 9. Education and intelligence about money are very important. Rule number 10. The key, K-E-Y, key to becoming wealthy or very rich is your ability to convert your earned income into your passive income as quickly as possible. Rule number 11. The key, K-E-Y, key to becoming wealthy or very rich is your ability to convert your earned income into your portfolio income as quickly as possible. Now let us discuss the differences among earned income, passive income and portfolio income. Earned income. Earned income is money you work for. Income derived from job or business is earned income. Passive income. Passive income is money working for you. Passive income in most cases is derived from real estate investments. Passive income is derived from rental properties, means properties which can be given on rent. Portfolio income. Portfolio income is money working for you. Portfolio income is derived from paper assets, example, stocks and bonds, etc. Rule number 12. To attract good luck to yourself, it is necessary to take advantage of the opportunities. Your action will be favored by the goddess of good luck. I am concluding Work Smartly and Grow Rich Part A with: if you know what you are doing, investing is not risky. Investing is just common sense. Thank you.